A Chinese tech giant just rewrote the rulebook by asking a simple, brilliant question. What if a factory robot was designed not to look like a human, but to completely outperform one? The answer is the MIRO U, and it's not just another robot. It's a six-armed, wheeled super-humanoid that's about to start its job on a real production line. For years, the Holy Grail in robotics has been creating a machine that can perfectly mimic a human form, with the idea that it could seamlessly slip into our world and our workplaces. But Midea's chief technology officer, Wei Chang, challenged that directly. He stated that the core value of the MIRO U is to move beyond just imitating human shape and instead achieve a real leap in operational efficiency. This robot is a pure, pragmatic tool built for work, and its design screams that philosophy. It has a human-like head and torso so it can see and interact with workstations built for people. But that's where the traditional mimicry ends. The MIRO U is mounted on a super-stable wheeled chassis. This gives it incredible mobility to reposition quickly without the complexity and fragility of bipedal legs. It has 6 fully independent bionic arms. This platform combines that multi-arm design with a 360-degree in-place rotation and a stable vertical lifting system. Midea claims this capability will allow the MIRO U to boost production line, changeover and adjustment efficiency by a staggering 30%. Once it's fully integrated, the MIRO U is starting its pilot run this month at Midea's high-end washing machine factory in Wuxi, China. They're calling it the Robots Factory Internship. And the entire industry will be watching to see if 6 arms are truly better than 2. This rapid move from unveiling to deployment shows this is a mature, third-generation product from Midea. Built on years of serious investment, Midea is a Fortune Global 500 manufacturing behemoth that has been quietly building a robotics empire. They acquired the legendary German robotics firm KUKA back in 2017. They've since established government-approved national key labs for high-end robotics and, just last year, a dedicated humanoid robot innovation center. The MIRO U is the fruit of that deep, sustained R&D push, which sees over 150,000 global patents and billions in investment. Like the MIRO U is the industrial powerhouse built for heavy lifting, precision, and transforming factories. Then there's the Mila series designed for commercial and home environments. These are the more traditional bipedal humanoids meant for lighter service roles. Midea plans to have them in their retail stores by 2026, guiding customers and doing product demos. The MIRO U represents a pivotal moment where a major industrial player stopped chasing science fiction aesthetics and started engineering for raw, practical superpowers. It asks us to reconsider what humanoid really means. Is it about having 2 arms and 2 legs? Or is it about having a form intelligent and adaptable enough to operate in a world built by and for humans? Midea has bet on the latter, creating a super humanoid that breaks through human physiological limits to become an engine of pure efficiency. If it delivers on its promise in Wuxi, it won't just be assembling washing machines. It could very well be assembling the blueprint for the next generation of industrial automation worldwide. What do you think about this new invention? Let me know in the comments below.